Fire Tiger, and I've been producing music for many years, and I want to share some tips and tricks with you so you can improve your music. We're going to look today at getting some vocals out of Udio, which is an AI tool. This is the track we're going to create.
Please stick around
if you want to find out how to create that music, how I got the vocals off of the Udio system, and how the flow of creating the initial input for Udio without using text prompts but actually using musicianship and then getting the vocals back works. So we're inside of Ableton, and I've got a basic trap beat which sounds like this. And I'm using a tool called Scaler, which is useful for doing chord progressions. And I've chosen trap 8 in here, and this has got a chord progression that we're just going to lay down onto our track quickly. So we'll just record that in now and just get a bit of a progression going. I'm just using the MIDI keyboard to do that. So now we've got a 4-bar loop like that. We can just create a render of that. So we're going to export that out as a simple bar. So export the audio, and we'll just call it trap progression. We're then going to go over to Udio, and we're going to upload our 4-bar loop that we created. So I'm just loading up the Udio site now. And if you have the paid for option, you can upload your audio by clicking here. And we're choosing our track progression. Confirm that it's ours, we just created it. And once that's uploaded, we can then choose what type of stuff we want. So I'm going to put in trap, hip hop, and we're just going to go without. I'm going to let it create its own lyrics. I'm going to create a song about driving around the city, and we'll extend that. Now what Udio will do, will go over and take our initial bar, it plays that back, and then it will start extending that using the prompts here. It'll take a few minutes to do this. So here it is actually rendering the file. Okay, so I've got Udio to generate 4 different versions now, so we'll just play through each of them quickly to see which one we like. And it plays back the same bar that we put in initially, and then it will kick in approximately around about now with what it's.
Music of the city, life so bright, windows down, music up on the
So that's one version, and here's the next variation. And we'll skip forward to the second.
through the street, city lights on my right, in my whip, feel the heat got.
And we'll check these other 2.
Top down, we flying. Neon lights, engine roaring.
And there's our 4th variation.
Jumping, streets alive, oh so great. Neon lights and fast cars.
So I think probably this one is probably
City lights on my right, in my whip.
is the one I'm going to use and show you how to get the vocals out of here. So what you can do is click on to here and these 3 dots. You can click onto here and you can see a download option here, and you can actually choose stems, and it will have all the different stems. So if we're only interested in the bass that it's created or the drums, in this case we're only interested in the vocals, so we'll get our vocals down. So we'll download that and open that file location, and we'll literally just drag that file into Ableton like so, and I'm just going to turn the warp off from here because it is actually got the BPM absolutely perfectly correct, and the first bar is the bar that we put in, so I'm just going to cut that bit off and I'm going to chuck our vocals on.
Bass booming, hearts beat, yeah, be running the night. See the crowd.
So now that's how we get a clean vocal out of Udio.
Bass booming, hearts beat, yeah, be running
Please
the
subscribe
night.
if you enjoy these videos. I enjoy making them and I like to help people make their music better. If you've got any comments, please put it into the video below and I look forward to seeing you next time.
Bass booming, hearts beat, yeah, be running the night. See the crowd, hear the sound, everything's feeling right. Bass booming, hearts beat, yeah, be running the night. See the crowd, hear the sound, everything's feeling right. Bass, bass.